We are pleased to show you the 2017 Cadillac CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.